हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एयर नॉलेज हब। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है नेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट इज लोकेटेड इन। द ऑप्शंस आर मुंबई, न्यू दिल्ली, कटक, हैदराबाद। द आंसर इज न्यू दिल्ली। Question number 2. Which of the following is located at Cuttack? The options are Integrated Fisheries Project, Animal Health Institute, Central Rice Research Institute, Central Tobacco Research Institute. The answer is Central Rice Research Institute. Question number 3. The Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research is located in which state? Options are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu. The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following institute is located in Nagpur? The options are Central Institute of Cotton Research, Central Tobacco Research Institute, Central Sugarcane Research Institute, National Center of Organic Farming. And the answer is Central Institute of Cotton Research. Question number 5. The Central Soil Salinity Research Institute is located in which place? The options are Karnal, Port Blair, Bareilly, Surat. The answer is Karnal. Question number 6. Advanced Level Telecom Center is located in. The options are Jabalpur, Ghaziabad, Bhopal, Hyderabad. The answer is Ghaziabad. Question number 7. Which of the following is located at Dehradun? Options are Indian Statistical Institute, Center of Wind Energy Technology, Forest Survey of India, National Institute of Hydrology. The answer is Forest Survey of India. Question number 8. Indian Diamond Institute is located in. The options are Surat, Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata. The answer is Surat. Question number 9. Which of the following is located in Jabalpur? The options are Forest Research Institute, National Institute of Hydrology, Telecommunication Engineering Center, Bharat Ratna Bhimrao Ambedkar Institute of Telecom Training. Answer is Bharat Ratna Bhimrao Ambedkar Institute of Telecom Training. Question number 10. Indian School of Business is located in which city? Options are Ujjain, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai. Answer is Hyderabad. Question number 11. Which of the following is located in Chennai? Options are National Institute of Siddha, National Institute of Ayurveda, National Institute of Homeopathy, National Institute of Medicine. Answer is National Institute of Siddha. Question number 12. Moraji Desai National Institute of Yoga is located in. The options are Bangalore, Jaipur, New Delhi, Pune. Answer is New Delhi. Question Question number 13. Which of the following is located in Dhanbad? National Tuberculosis Institute, Center for Wind Energy Technology, Center for Mining Environment, Hapkin Institute. Answer is Center for Mining Environment. Question number 14. The Bureau of Indian Standards is located in which city? Options are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, New Delhi. None of these. Answer is New Delhi. Question number 15. National Judicial Academy located in which of the following cities? Options are Kolkata, Pune, Jamshedpur, Bhopal. Answer is Bhopal. Question number 16. The Species Board is located in. Options are Surat, Cochin, Mumbai, New Delhi. Answer is Cochin. Question number 17. National Geographical Research Institute is located in. Options are Hyderabad, Lucknow, Panaji, Pilani. Answer is Hyderabad. Question number 18. Bhivagiri National Labour Institute is located in. Options are Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 19. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC, is located in. Options are Mumbai, Kolkata, Bengaluru, New Delhi. Answer is Mumbai. Question number 20. Center for Wind Energy Technology is located in. The options are Chennai, Mumbai, Lucknow, Ujjain. Answer is Chennai. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.